In this video tutorial, I am going to talking about virus, worm, Trojan, malware. Just like human viruses, computer viruses come in many forms and can affect your machines in different ways. Obviously, your computer isn't going to spend a week in bed and need a course of antibiotics, but as several infection can wreak havoc on your system. They can delete your files, steal your data, and easily spread to other devices on your network. So, what is computer malware? Computer malware is a kind of software program or malicious code. Malwares are produced by unknown peoples and harmful to the computers. Some varieties of this software are viruses, worms, and Trojan horse. So this is Norse live attack. You can see this by visiting this website map.norsecorp.com. So let's see. Write down this website name and hit enter. You can see here this is Norse live attack. You can check out your country name also here. It's showing the attack happening using some services like SMTP, Telnet, HTTP, and many more. You can click on Explore and select your wanted vulnerabilities. Like I'm selecting these services. So you can see the changes here. So why Norse? Norse is having 8 million sensors. Also 7 petabyte of attack data, including 6,000 devices and app emulation. So how viruses or malware transport to your system? Sometimes you get an email like, "Hello, I'm Anna. Please click here to see my more photos." And at the same time, you can't able to control yourself. You just clicked on that photos or that link to see more photos. Viruses can be downloaded by click on a web link when surfing the web, or by downloading a program that claims to be a game or cool picture. Files shared by anonymous people on any form. It's come in bonus with your free or cracked softwares. Other scenario you can think of when yours got hacked, how you got infected. So which type of damage can be done by malware? Sometimes it display unwanted messages. Some tend to destroy program or data, result in system crashes. It can format your hard disk, damage data, and delete file, or completely encrypted your data. Sure, in your computer system you are having one antivirus installed. Do you know how it's work? Antivirus detect using a list of virus signature definitions. Also, comparing the files stored on fixed or removable drive, like hard drive, floppy drive, against a database of non-virus signature. When the new virus come on internet, it can destroy your computer system. So why your antivirus is unable to know that this is virus? Because of in the virus signature database, that new virus signature is not added yet. So after update coming or patch coming of that virus from your antivirus company, your antivirus can be able to identify that virus. This is virus attack process. You download the virus from internet, execute in your computer, and this virus will infect your machine. Also, search for vulnerable machines in your network, and that's how you hack. So how virus work? A computer virus attach itself to a program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infection as its travel. Virus cannot spread without human actions. Almost all viruses are attached to executable file, which means virus may exist. So what is virus? Computer virus attach itself to a program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infection as it travel. Almost all viruses are attached to executable file, which means virus may exist in your computer, but it actually cannot affect your computer unless you run or open the malicious code or program. Virus cannot virus cannot spread without human action. So what is worm? Worm is similar to virus by design. It considered to be subclass of virus. Worm spread computer to computer, but unlike virus, it has capability to travel without any human action. Biggest danger of worm to its capability to replicate itself on your computer. So rather than your computer sending out a single worm, it can send out thousand copies of itself. For example, it will send out copy to everyone listed in your email address list, and after that it will replicate it to all contact of receiver email list. So what is Trojan horse? It seems like useful software but do damage when it's installed on your computer. Those receiving end of Trojan horse are usually tricked into to opening them. They are appear to be legitimate softwares. They are designed to adding silly desktop icon or can damage on your computer system by deleting files or sending out your information or data to the main attacker. It also able to create backdoor in your computer system that simply allowing an anonymous user to access into your computer. Watch out, throw a movie, then you will actually got to know what is Trojan. So how you can run viruses in your computer using Sandboxy. Sandbox use isolation technology to separate program from your underlying operating system, preventing unwanted changes from happening to your personal data, programs, and applications that rest safely on your hard drive. So let's see the practical demonstration of Sandboxy. So right now you can go to sandboxy.com and click download. Go down a little bit and or click here download from this site and click on save. I already downloaded Sandboxy on my desktop. You can see here. Just double click to install it. Click yes, select your language. I agree. Click on install. It will take some seconds. Then click on next, next, and finish. Close it. You can see Sandbox is already installed in your computer system. So this is Sandboxy browser. So how you will differentiate between simple browser and Sandboxy browser. You can see the yellow line outside this browser. So this browser is running in Sandboxy environment. If you download any malicious code here or click on any malicious link, your system will be completely safe. So in this demonstration, we are going to see how we can how we can run any viruses in Sandbox environment. Click on Sandbox and create new sandbox. Enter the name here. Click OK. Click here and browse your file. We are going to open this file, so select all files and open Gotham password. Click it open, click OK. You can see here in this text file I write down my password. So just change it to password and save it. After saving this, close this window and let's check out our main file. You can see there is no changes happen. So same as if you run any virus in your system using Sandboxy, your system will be completely safe. See how Sandboxy actually work. You can see here there is two hard disks. In first one no Sandboxy is installed, but in second one there is Sandbox installed. So if any program execute in no sandbox hard disk environment, the program can occupy any random memory. But where the sandbox is installed, it can only occupy the virtual memory allocated by Sandboxy. So your whole hard drive will not going to be infected from this computer virus. So how you can defend against this attack? Use netstate command in your window to see what services are running. If you see any unwanted services, check out these services and stop these. Open your CMD command prompt by typing CMD here and hit enter. Type here net state and hit enter. You can see the all services running in my computer system. So if you see there is any unwanted services running in your computer, you can shut down those services or uninstall those softwares. You should periodically check to see if any new service have been started. Keep your software genuine, patched and up to date. Consider shutting down any services you do not need. Always use genuine antivirus and update it frequently so your virus signature database can be updated. Backup your personal data and professional data.